Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing menu bar on your Mac. If the top menu keeps disappearing, don't worry. It's a quick fix to keep it visible all the time. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. It really helps support the channel. Thanks. Alright, here's what's going on. By default, macOS may hide the menu bar. When you move your cursor to the very top of the screen, it shows up, but once you move the cursor away, it disappears again. To change this, we'll adjust your settings. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner and select System Settings. If the menu bar isn't visible, you can also press Command plus Space, type System Settings, and press Enter. Inside System Settings, click Control Center in the left-hand menu. Then scroll down until you see Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. Here, you'll see three options. Always. The menu bar hides until you move the cursor to the top. Only in full screen. The menu bar is always visible, except when apps are in full screen. Never. The menu bar stays visible at all times. To keep it permanently visible, select Never. And that's it. Now your menu bar will always stay at the top of your screen. If this video helped, hit the like button, drop a comment if you still have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.